मेरा नाम सबा है और मैं ईरान में फोर्थ ईयर मेडिकल स्टूडेंट हूँ। और अभी बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है घर आके। ऑब्वियसली हमें उम्मीद नहीं थी कि हम शायद वापस आ भी पाएंगे, बट अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह दैट वी आर बैक। वी आर वेरी थैंकफुल टू द इंडियन एम्बेसी, MEA एंड द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया। दे हेल्प्ड अस इन एवरी पॉसिबल वे, सो वी आर वेरी थैंकफुल टू देम। अभी भी वहाँ पे बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं, बट इंडियन एम्बेसी एंड MEA आर ट्राइंग देयर बेस्ट कि वो उनको इवैक्यूएट कर पाए। उनको रिलोकेट किया गया था एंड नाउ द इवैक्यूएशन प्रोसेस लाइक दे आर डूइंग दैट. From now in, we reached Delhi at least 110 students. Actually, the thing we are very disappointed by our state government because first our chief minister said that the arrangements will be taken care of, and when we reached the Delhi airport, when we saw the buses, we were highly disappointed. These were the SRTC buses, and we have been traveling continuously for 4 days. It wasn't possible for us to travel in those buses, and we tried to contact them. No one picked our calls and anything else, so we had to book our tickets in emergency and just got back here. उनके लिए मैसेज रहेगी कि please remain calm, please remain patient. Indian government, MEA and Indian embassy are doing everything in their power to evacuate them, and inshallah they will be here very very soon. I went to Iran in 2021. Our first drone strike was जो हमारी सिटी में हुआ, it was outside the children's hospital. पहला जो ड्रोन अटैक हुआ. सेकेंड, इट वॉज इन तबरीज एयरपोर्ट पे अटैक किया उन्होंने. लाइक उसमें कुछ नहीं बचा. एंड द मोस्ट रिडिकुलस थिंग वॉज दे ट्राई टू अटैक द इमाम रेजा शाइन एंड दे लाइक कंप्लीटली डिस्ट्रॉयड द मशहद एयरपोर्ट. सो दीज वर लाइक वेरी बिग ब्लोन आउट फॉर अस, जिससे देख हम बहुत शॉक हो गए. Because medical studies in Iran are very good. They show us like हर किसी जगह पे, if you go anywhere in this world, they will show you on dummies how to do injections, how to take blood pressure or anything else. But in Iran, we have the real patients. We see the real patients. So that's the difference. Yeah. हमें पता था कि सिचुएशन खराब हो रही है when they said that they want to assassinate the रहबर. So we got it, but we didn't want to leave the Iran. हम नहीं जाना चाहते थे, but embassy didn't let us allow. Embassy ने allow नहीं किया हमें वहाँ पे रहना. So ultimately we had to leave.
When was it almost?
I really don't remember when. I guess it was 2 days after the attack when I told them the internet might, because they restricted the internet. So I told them I might not be in contact with them, so they don't need to worry. We all will be fine here.
Was internet shut in any of these days?
Yeah, right now it's completely shut down. But when we were there, it was restricted. It was just 2G.
Now it is complete blackout.
It's complete blackout. And the calls are not getting connected. ATMs are completely run out of money, and shops are closed. Like it's very bad. Situation is very bad. How did you manage it, Render? Our dormitory helped us. Our university helped us in that way a lot.
One question for our CM, Umar Abdullah Sahab. If his own sons would have been in this condition, they would have been traveling continuously for 4 days. Would have we done same? Would have we sent the same buses for them as well? Please answer this honestly. We want to know. We really want to know.